So guys, you just want to head over to the link which I'm going to leave down below in the description to download QuickTime. Or you can just type it on any web browser, QuickTime, and then you want to make sure that you go to the link that's by Apple support. So now once you're on this website, you just want to click on download. Here are the system requirements for it. It's not demanding at all. You should be good to go with that. So now we're going to install it. I'm going to click on the QuickTime installer.exe. Now once this comes up, you want to click on next, and then click on yes. I'm going to be going with the typical install. It will just install the recommended QuickTime features and removes the following optional components. If you want to add in these optional components, then you want to go for a custom install. But I'm just going to be going with typical. You could choose your destination folder. I'm just going to keep it the same. You can select desktop shortcut if you want. Now once you're happy with all this, you want to click on install. And then click on yes again. And then click on yes again. And then click on finish. We've now installed it.